Hey there and welcome. My name is Willem, I'm the founder of Videostate. And before I introduce myself further, let me ask you a question. How are things going with the videos that you create? Do they represent your brand or the stories that you want to tell? And more importantly, do they work? Do they move your audience and ask them for a certain question after watching your video? Do you even know? And if not, you've come to the right place. And Videostate is the place where I will teach you how to create binge-worthy videos. And there are multiple ways to get the knowledge and tools to get started. And we all binge our favorite shows in the streaming platform, so why not have someone binge your video content, right? Now you can see Videostate as your own personal video store, where you go in and grab the title that will teach you more about the art of video creation. And I choose the comparison of a video store because that's where my story begins. Let me take you back to the year 1991 to a small village in the Netherlands. And here I am, I'm 7 years old and I'm riding my bike. It's a Friday night and I've got some friends coming over and I'm super excited because I'm going to the place I love, the video store. When I arrived, my eyes were immediately drawn to a poster on a wind sign announcing new movies, which said Terminator 2 Judgment Day. And the image of Schwarzenegger on this motorcycle with a massive shotgun is something that blew me away. And if you have no clue what I'm talking about, I've got that poster right here. You know, Terminator 2 just didn't happen to be any movie. It happened to be one of the best sequels ever made. It won 4 Oscars, it has an 8.6 rating on IMDb, and it holds the 29th position in the best movies of all time list, just in between Star Wars and Back to the Future. Okay, why is this important? It's important because of 3 things. First of all, creativity. Directors like James Cameron, they use creativity to the biggest extent to build entire worlds, characters and storylines in it. The second part, production. Planning and producing your content with the thought that every second must keep your audience hooked is extremely important. And third, distribution. Great visuals like the Terminator, they work because they boil up your emotions. And today we're no longer walking in video stores with all these neatly lined up VHS tapes screaming for our attention. No, today it's the social media posts that do. So let me ask you a question. Where do you put your video content for others to see? And with this mighty trilogy of creativity, production and distribution, we will get you to learn how to create binge-worthy video content. Okay, so who am I again? My career started back in 2008 in events, and I was driven by the energy of massive crowds, so I pursued my career at one of the biggest convention centers in Europe, where I worked on events up to 250,000 people. And I remember that these live events, they were like entire worlds where I was walking through with all these stands and exhibitors screaming for the attention of audiences passing by. So how you communicate with audiences on a massive scale is something that I learned right there with my boots on the ground. And in 2016 I embarked on an entrepreneurial journey in producing online videos for companies in the Netherlands up to startups in the USA. And that ultimately led for creating videos for the Dutch Government Awards in the Royal Knights Hall in The Hague. And this cinematic screening for hundreds of guests was a long time dream come true. And in 2020 my paths in events and online video, they crossed when I stepped into the world of webinars. And I joined a fast-growing tech scale-up that creates easy-to-use webinar software. And it was right there that I learned how live streaming long-form content up to 30 minutes can totally transform any business. And in 2022, I woke up with the burning desire to bundle all my knowledge and experience into one place where you can learn how to create binge-worthy videos. This is Videostate. I'll be back.